what's going on, you guys? It's your professor here, Professor NFT. Like always, before I get started, this is not financial advice, and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. All right, so I got two upcoming mints for you guys today. One of them is Catch King. So this is actually minting on January 27th. So what is Catch King, you guys? Let's take a look here. Catch King is a collectathon game supported by their Solana NFT, the Catch King Explorer, and their token Catch Coin. Catch King features crisp 16-bit style pixel art. The gameplay revolves around completing your collection, filling out your museum, displaying your collectibles acquired through dungeon runs to gain status amongst other players. Whether you are a gamer who enjoys farming and playing casual minigames, or you enjoy mastering execution to overcome powerful bosses, Catch King has something for you. Alright, so we know already it's a crypto game. One thing I actually really love about this is that you could play the game without owning the NFT. So it does mention somewhere here, let me just try to find it as fast as possible for you guys. Here you go. Free to play. You will be able to play the game without the NFT. So of course, if you don't have the NFT, you are missing out on some utilities the NFT offers you, such as unique PFP, fully animated wearable skin in game, verified Discord chat access, early access to all their dungeons and updates, and of course, I'm gonna put this in short-term staking as well. All right, so super solid project, you guys. We also see their supply is fair and their mint price is actually incredible for what they're offering. I really look forward to this one. And one more thing, you guys have to check out this gameplay. Let me go ahead and pop it open here for you guys. It is such a beautiful demo. And just let it load, you guys. It'll load fast. There it is. Just look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I even like the catchy music. This is a fish. I really don't know what I could do, but I love how they have the playable demo. So yeah, just look at it, you guys. They also mentioned as well they'll have different kinds of dungeons. So I can't wait to see what the team is gonna do. I'm gonna be minting one myself for sure, but as always, you guys gotta do your own research. And let's go on to the next one. So the next one as well is a crypto game. It is Solmanians. Let me show you some of their gameplay as well here on their Twitter. Some of that gameplay for you guys. It looks good, doesn't look bad. It does look a bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But the team has actually promised to release the browser game before launch. So we already saw on their Twitter, they had a buttload of followers. They had 10.9K. And their Discord as well, which I'll show you guys here. This or Solmanians. Their Discord is actually at 14K members. So let me go on their website right here. All right. We see some lore as well. So that's always cool when there's lore in the project, makes the game more engaging for the gamers. And then we also see a couple of features as well. So you could battle enemies and monsters simultaneously, new skills and upgrades, dropping PvE experience. You could build your own clan, team deathmatch, NFT tokens, characters, high quality graphics, and exclusive rewards. I want to show you guys actually one more video of their gameplay. Let's see. This is their art. The art's pretty. I actually like their art. Their art's really nice. Right here. So we see that the supply is 6,666. So their mint price, you guys, it is actually pretty high. Their mint price is at, let me double check here for you guys. It's at actually 0.99. That is their mint price. They put it on the bottom here on their website. So mint price is 0.99 SOL. I'm just hoping it's not we're not getting another Bitmon. Hopefully the team delivers. I'm actually not sure if the team is doxed as well. I got to ask in the Discord. So let's go ahead and let's do it right now. Let's see if anyone answers me in the Discord. Hey, you guys. Is the team doxed? Let's see. We'll give it 10 seconds. No, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We actually see it's not that really active right now. It's actually it's not that active for the amount of followers they have. But I suggest you guys go ahead and do some research yourself before you mint into this. I'll probably not mint, to be honest with you guys. I'll just probably wait and see what happens. All right, that's all for me, guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join my Discord as well, Professor NFTs Discord. I go ahead and do some calls as well, as you see here. When I told him I wasn't minting Lunaroids anymore, as well, upcoming mints before the video comes out. So that's all. Until next time, take care. See ya.